Hi, Krystal Jackson with Barbee Jackson Insurance, here today to talk to you about Alabama garage liability insurance. So who needs Alabama garage liability insurance? Well, for starters, anybody who's selling any type of motorized items, be it cars, motorhomes, campers, motorcycles, etc. Any of those items that you sell will require a garage liability policy from the state. Additionally, if you're a repair facility, such as an auto repair, body shop, those types of operations will also require, not by the state, but to protect the interests of the business, a garage liability policy. So what does that mean and what does it contain? Well, for starters, the basic garage liability policy is going to include auto liability coverage. So if you're driving a owned auto, an inventory vehicle, or maybe test driving a customer's vehicle, then it will provide protection for bodily injury and property damage that you may do to others. The second part of coverage is other than auto liability. This is what mimics a general liability policy and provides coverage for the premises. So if a customer comes to pick up their vehicle, look at something you have for sale, and trips and falls, slips, any type of incidents like that that may occur on the premises, bodily injury and property damage, it will provide that protection. The next part is other than auto aggregate. Again, similar to the general liability policy, this will be the maximum payout for claims that are other than auto. It is important to note that auto liability does not have a cap like the other than auto does. Now, if you're a dealership operation in the state of Alabama, you will also be required to have a state bond in the amount of $50,000. These cannot be purchased on one policy, but if working with an agency such as ours, we can provide you with all of the coverages, bonds that you may need to protect your business with one phone call. For more information, go to our website, barbeejackson.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss a video.